So what I want to do is in my floor plan here, I'm going to select any one of the components, doesn't really matter which one. And then on the modify plumbing fixtures, because what I want to do is create a physical connection between the fixtures that are part of this system, I'm going to go to the generate layout. And generate layout offers me the systems that I have. I'm going to pick the Sanitary 107. And you see what it does is offer me a potential layout. But before I get to that point, I want to be able to control it where the lowest point of this system is. So I go to place base, and I'm picking within the thickness of the wall itself to put the base here. I'm also going to choose to adjust some of the values that are up here on the options tab. So I'm going to say that the diameter that I'm assuming there is going to be 4 inches. And if I said the offset was minus 4 feet, I want you to look at the left view here to see what's going on with the. So when I change the value, if I said 0 and enter, it's the height of this lowest point. So I'm going to say minus 4 feet and send it to the bottom. I'm not quite finished with that yet, because what I want to do is pick on the solutions. So the solutions that would apply are listed here, and I'm thinking that what I want to do is I can either work with the network, a perimeter, or intersection solution. I'm going to work with the intersections, and then I've got like 7 alternative layouts that I can see by just paging or going forward through the options that are here. But even as I look at it, I think I want to actually make some changes to the main branch and the branches from that. So what I'm doing is going in here and under the main branch, I'm going to try and position this so you can see it. I'm not having luck with that. Let me go to about here. I'm going to change that to say minus 1 foot, and then if I say OK, you'll see what I'm doing for the main branch here. It's going up to 1 foot, and if I go back to my settings again for the branch, I'm going to change that to minus 1 foot as well. So I'm adjusting the height. And now I can look at my model and I can go through the different options again. So it's got overrides on where the pipe should be. And when I've got the option that I want, which in here I'm going to go with the option that says 2, and then say OK, finish the layout. And I'll get actually physical connections that are in my model. So I've got my my riser here where I had the base, and I forgot to I wonder if I can just edit this. Let's go Control Z to go back. I'd forgotten that on my solution here that I want the pipe to slope towards at a slope of 1/8 inch to the foot. So what I'm doing here is changing that to say 1/8 inch to the foot, and you probably won't see it, but now if I go through these options, there is a slope applied to the piping here. Then I'm going to say finish the layout.